Hey everyone! In this video, we'll explain how to identify and reveal the identity of an unknown caller. If a number calls you and you don't know who it belongs to, I'll share a free method to identify the unknown caller. Just follow the steps explained in this video. Before we get to the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's get started. The first step, my friend, is to go to this application, the link to which you'll find in the first pinned comment. Then all you have to do is set it as your default dialer instead of your phone's default dialer. After that, my friend, you'll find all your contacts, both those you've called and those you've received calls from, here. Any unknown number or caller will have its name displayed here, along with the words identified. The name of the unknown number that called you will also appear here. As you can see, if you scroll down, you'll find some unknown numbers, and as you can see, they've been identified and the owner's name displayed automatically. This application also detects fraudulent and scam numbers. Don't reply to her and block her. You'll find the app in the first pinned comment. That was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. For any questions, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments. See you in the next video, God willing.